15. The proposition negation of P or negation of Q or negation of P or Q is logically equivalent to equivalent to. Okay. So the first rather means logically equal this. First we solve this. Before solving this, what we need P and Q. P, this is Q. This is what? Negation of P, negation of Q. Okay. This is true. This is true. True. False. False. True. False. False. Okay. Next, so the negation of P. What we take? False. False. True. True. For negation of Q, false. True. False. True. Okay. Next, in this, first you solve this P or negation of Q. First you solve this one. P. P means T, negation of Q. True, false. Makes R means this is what we get true. Next, true, true. We get that true. Next, false, false. What we get? False. Okay. False, true. What we get? True. Okay. Next, what the negation of P or Q? Okay. You take negation of P or Q. Okay. Negation for this. What we write? False, false, true, false. Okay. Next, see that what is negation of okay. What we do? P R Q. Okay. P R Q. See that P R Q means this is true, true. What we get? True. Okay. True, false. What we get? True. False, true. What we get? True. Next, false, false. What we get? False. Okay. Negation. Negation of P R Q. Okay, they get this one. First I completed this one. Next I am completing this one. Okay. Next, see that one. If you complete it, what we get? False. This is also false. This is also false. This is also true. Okay. Next, in this bracket, I am solving this one. This whole thing. Okay. This whole thing I am solving. This whole thing means where is this one? This is this one. This is there. R symbol we can apply it. Okay. R symbol if you apply it, see that false, false. False, false means what we get? False. Okay. Next, false, false. Then also false we get. True, false. What we get? True. Next, false, true. What we get? True. Okay. From this, if you see that it is equal to what? Negation of P. See the negation of P also. This condition also same. That's why it is equal to what? Negation of P. Negation of P. Okay. This is equals logically equal to negation of P. Option 3. Write it. ఇది సాల్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు నాన్న మీకు మెయిన్ గా తెలియాల్సింది మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నా. నెగేషన్ అంటే ఏం యూజ్ చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ ఆర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ ఉంటే ట్రూ ట్రూ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి, ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి, ఫాల్స్ ట్రూ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ ఫాల్స్ ఫాల్స్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి అనేది కండిషన్ ఆర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, నెక్స్ట్ అండ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, నెక్స్ట్ కండిషనల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, నెక్స్ట్ కండిషనల్ అనే ఇంప్లికేషన్ అన్న ఒకటేనా, నెక్స్ట్ ఇదేంటి బై ఇంప్లికేషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమేమి చేయాలనేది మనకు ఒక ఐడియా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, అవి ఫార్ములాస్ లాగా ఓకే మన బ్రెయిన్ లో ఉంటే ఇవన్నీ ఈజీగా ఎటువంటి సమ్ ఇచ్చినా మనం ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి వచ్చి ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు గుర్తుండాల్సింది టాలజీ, పాలసీ అండ్ కాంట్రడిక్షన్. పాలసీ అన్న కాంట్రడిక్షన్ అన్న ఉంటే, కాంట్రడిక్షన్ పాలసీ అంటే ఏంటంటే లాస్ట్ రో వచ్చేటప్పటికి మనకు ఆల్ ఫాల్స్ అంటే ఆల్ ఎఫ్స్ అనుకుంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు పాలసీ లేదా కాంట్రడిక్షన్. ఆల్ టీస్ ఉంటే ఏమంటే టాలజీ. ఈ కండిషన్స్ మనకు తెలుసుంటే సమ్స్ ఈజీగా చేసుకొని పోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ కన్వర్స్ అంటే ఏం యూజ్ చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ కాంట్రా పాజిటివ్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఈ సింపుల్స్ అని మనకు గుర్తుంటే సమ్స్ అని ఈజీగా చేసుకుని సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా, ఈ వీటి నుంచి ఐఐటి క్వశ్చన్ అవుట్ వస్తుంది గ్యారెంటీగా, మర్చిపోవద్దు. ఓకే, స్ట్రక్చర్స్. Next question number 16. The dual of statement, the dual of statement P Q R equals to P Q this. Okay, dual. Dual of the statement అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాను సేమ్ దీన్ని ఇలా రాసుకుంటాం. P క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఇచ్చింది ఇది, మనకు రిజల్ట్ వచ్చి ఏమొచ్చిందంటే ఇక్కడ దిస్ వన్. అంటే మీకు డ్యూయల్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పానంటే ఈ సింబల్ ఉంటే ఏం రీప్లేస్ చేయమనంటే ఈ సింబల్ రీప్లేస్ చేయమన్నా, సపోజ్ ఈ సింబల్ ఉంటే ఈ సింబల్ ని రీప్లేస్ చేయమన్నా. ఓకే, సో దెన్ ఫస్ట్ యూ కెన్ రీప్లేస్ దట్ వాట్ దిస్ ఇస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఇఫ్ యూ రీప్లేస్ దిస్, ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ రైట్ for this is the answer. Next option is what? Option 1, right? Duality condition statement చెప్పినప్పుడు we can చెప్పి ఈ symbol ఈ symbol ఈ symbol ఈ symbol replace చేయాలి. Okay, in place of this symbol we can replace this, in place of this symbol we can replace this. Okay, right. No need to substitute here. This is question again. Okay, in result only we can substitute. Next, level 2. Level 2. Level 2. Question number 1. Let there be two propositions P అయితే only bread and butter in breakfast. Breakfast Q I do not take anything in breakfast. Breakfast. Then the compound compound preposition. What they give? I take only only bread only bread and butter in breakfast. Breakfast. Uh, I do not take anything is represented by. See there, first is Sima, what they give. Like there are two propositions. First P, I take only bread and butter in breakfast. I do not take anything in breakfast. Okay, they give negative sentence, but they give in the form of what Q. Okay, see there. Next compound proposition is what they give. I take only bread and butter. Okay, in breakfast. See there, all are or I do not take anything. I do not take anything. Okay. See then from this condition is what up to here I take only bread. Means bread and butter in breakfast. P I will take. Next R means what? This is the symbol. Okay. I do not take means this is the this is the answer. Okay. Right. Option two. Next question number. So therefore, what they give? The negation of the proposition, if a number is divisible by 15, then it is divisible by 5 or 3. Okay. So the option is what more? Option 2. A number is divisible by 15 and it is not divisible by 5 and 3. Okay. A number is divisible by 15 and it is not divisible by 5 and 3. Okay. Next, see that question number 3. What they give? Question number 3. Negation, negation of the statement, negation of P, Q, R, R. Okay. So that before doing this one logical equivalence we know. What is that logical equivalence mean? You see there in options, logical equivalence means question number 3, apply formula negation of P Q equals to P P and negation of Q. Okay. See there, but for we get them this one. Okay. If you apply it, negation of negation P Q R. Okay, they gave this one means this is okay. From this P is what now? This negation of P. Next Q is what? QVR. Okay. From this I am writing. If you apply it, what we get? Uh, Wait. P and negation of QVR. Okay. From this, what we write? Negation of P and negation of Q. This symbol will be reverse negation of R. Right. Option 3. Next, question number 4. See there, the converse of if in a triangle ABC, AB equals to AC, then angle B equals to angle C is. Please, before starting this one, converse means what? Converse means converse. Okay, converse means P conditional Q is right them is equals to what? Q conditional of P. We will write them. They give this one, we write them like this. Okay, from this, if in a triangle ABC, AB equals to AC, then angle B equals to angle C. In a triangle ABC, angle B equals to angle C, then AB equals to AC. Where is that option? C. Option for question number 4. That option is where no? Option 1 only. Okay. Option 1. Right. Option 1. We can apply this condition. Converse means this is the condition. P conditional to Q is equals to Q conditional to P. Otherwise, we write them. This is of implication. Also, we can call them. Okay. Right. Next question number 5. See that the inverse, the inverse of the proposition P and Q implies R is okay. Inverse means what is condition we take? See that I'm writing there. P tends to Q. We write them this into is negation of P tends to negation of Q. Negation of P, negation of Q. See that from this what we take? P negation of Q tends to R. What we write? Negation of P. Negation of P and negation of Q. Negation of R. I am writing like this. If you apply negation of P, this symbol will be reversed. This will be Q tends to what more? Negation of R. Right. Option 2. Next, question number 6. The contrapositive of a two triangles are congruent, then they are similar. The contrapositive of if two triangles are congruent, then they are similar. See that one? Contrapositive means see that P tends to Q is negation of Q, negation of P. Means we write them opposites. Okay. If two triangles, if two triangles are not similar, this symbol means then, 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 then triangles are not congruent. Okay. Next question number 7. See there, question number 7. The diagonals. See there, I'm studying. The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular. Rhombus are perpendicular. The contrapositive of above statement. Contrapositive is this only. Negation of Q, negation of P. Okay. What they gave in question? The diagonals of a rhombus is perpendicular. The contrapositive of the above statement. If the diagonals are not perpendicular, then the figure is not a rhombus. If the diagonals are not perpendicular, then the figure is not a rhombus. This is the contrapositive statement. What is that option? 4. Okay. Option 4. Write it. So then question number 8. The contrapositive positive of negation P and Q, negation Q and negation R. Okay, Q negation Q and negation R means contrapositive means now I write for I read it P implication to Q equals to negation of Q tends to negation of P. We will write. Okay, negation of Q, negation of P. Okay, so then from this I am taking this is P, this is Q. Okay, if you apply it, negation of Q means negation of Q and negation of R. Okay, next see that negation of negation P and Q. Okay, if you apply what we get negation of Q symbol. Negation if you apply by the De Morgan's law, the symbol will change. Okay, what we get negation of negation means involution law. If we are applying there, what we get R from this this value is P. This symbol will change negation of Q. Okay, option is what one? Option 3 one. Next question number 9. So there, question number 9. What they give the contrapositive. Sorry. Consider the following propositions. Propositions P. I have the raincoat. I have the raincoat. Q. I can walk in the rain. I can walk in the rain. Next, the preposition if I have, if I have the raincoat, comma, then I can walk, I can walk in the rain is select symbol P. Then means simply is what? Implication. This is the symbol. I can walk, I can walk in the rain. Okay, this is what Q. This is the answer. P implication to Q. Option is what now? Question number 9. Option 1. Write it. Question number 10. Given that water reaches below 0 degree Celsius, consider the following statements. P. Water freeze this morning. Next, Q. This morning temperature was below 0 degree Celsius. Which of the following is correct? See them now. What they give options? P and Q are logically equivalent. Means if you see there, given that water freezes below the 0 degree Celsius, this is the statement. Okay. First statement, see that P, water freezes this morning. Okay. Morning. This in Q, this morning temperature was below 0 degree. Freezes means below 0 degrees only we can freeze that. That's why option is what? These both are equal. What in logically, these both are equal. That's why option 1. Option 1 is correct. Okay. Next, question number 11. Consider the following proposition P. I take medicine. Q. I can sleep. Then the compound statement. Then the compound statement. Statement. Negation of P. Negation of Q means. So then negation of P, negation of Q. If check the options, see there, if I do not take medicine, then I cannot sleep. Option 1. Next, if I do not take medicine, then can I sleep? What they give negation of P, negation of Q. Means both statements are in negative way. Okay, that's why option 1 is the correct one. If I do not take medicine, then I cannot sleep. That's why option 1. Write it. Option 1. Okay. Next, question number 12. See there. Question number 12. The statement negation of P or Q is equivalent to equivalent to option 1. See there. What do you P implication to Q, negation of P implication to Q, negation of P implication to negation of Q, then P negation of Q. Okay, see that. What they give first is statement negation of P and Q. First, you draw the truth table. This is P, this is Q. Okay, from this negation of P, negation of, no need negation of, okay, take negation of Q. I'm taking. Okay, this value is what one? True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay, this is false, this is false, true, true. Next, negation of Q means false, true, false, true. Okay, so then first we can find it. Negation of P, negation of P, negation of P or Q. Negation of P means F to T or what we get. F to T means this is true. Okay. F F this is false. Okay. Next true true. This is also true. Next true false. This is also true. Okay. First, in option one, I am checking. See there, ma? True, true. Option one, I am taking. Okay. True, true is what? True. True, false. Uh, this is false. Okay. False, true. This is true. False, false. This is true. Okay. Option one is equal, logically equal. That's why option one, right? Next one, question number 13. You can do that is homework. Okay, it was very easy. That's why I'm giving homework. Next, question number 14 is you see there. Question number 14. See there, question number 14. What they give? Which of the following propositions negate the terminology? Okay. Option one, what they give? P and Q. Implication to Q. Next, option two, what they give? P and R. Q tends to P. Okay. Next, option three, so that P tends to Q. Option four, what they give? Both one and three. Okay. Both one and three. See that. First, terminology means in last column we get them all the days, we call them it is the terminology. Okay, first see that I'm solving option one. Option one, before solving the option one, see that now there is no negations. That's why I'm solving only with respect of P and Q. P I am taking, this is Q. Okay, true, 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 false, false, true, next, false, false. Okay, next, see there what they gave. P and Q. I'm sorry. P and Q. Okay. P and Q is solving first. P and Q means true, true, and means true, true. This is false. This is also false. This is also false. Okay. Next, P. I'm solving this. P and P then Q. Okay. P then Q means true, true. What we get? Uh, true, true. This value is what one? True, true means this is okay. Otherwise, first solve this one, option one, then after we go another option. It is very simple, like this. P and Q. This is also Q. Okay, this is what implication. Okay, so then now true, true. What we get? True. False, false. This is true. False, true. This is true. False, false. This is also true. Option one satisfied. Okay, very good. We are getting. But in fourth option, what they gave? Both one and three are correct. They gave. Okay, I am checking that third option also. I am checking that. Okay, so then now you check the. If you check option three, this value is what? P Q. Okay, true, true. Okay, true, false, 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 true, true, false, false, true. Okay, next step P negation Q. Okay, see that P true, true. R symbol is what? Next step true, false. This value is also true. Next false, true. This is also true. False. This value is what? True. This is also okay. In this also we are getting all the. That's why option 4. Right. Option 4. Option 4. Question number the proposition P negation of P Q is a what? Terminology. Option 1 contradiction logical equivalent to P and Q both 1 and 2. They gave the options. First you check it. Okay. So then what we can do? I am not rubbing this one. Uh, take this one. So there I'm taking what? There is only negation of P. That's why I'm taking negation of P. Negation of P means so there, this is what negation of P false. This is also false. True. True. Okay. Next negation of P R Q. Negation of P negation of P or Q. Okay, negation of P false, true. What more? False, true. What we get? False, true means R symbol is there. We are getting true. Okay, false, false also we are getting true. Next, true, true also what? Sorry, in this symbol, false, false means we get them false. True, true means we get them true. True, false means true. Okay. Next, what they give? P negation of P R Q. Okay. See that P is true. This is also true. True, false, true. Next, false, true. What we get? True. False, true. Okay. This is what now all these. This is terminology. Okay, terminology. Right. Option 1. ఓకే అమ్మా, మీటింగ్ నుంచి లేవండి, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ కనెక్ట్